Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to fix the PDF preview handler error in Outlook in 2026. Now this problem appears when Outlook can't open the PDFs inside the reading pane, but the fix is quick and simple. So let's walk through how you can do it step by step. First of all, you need to start by opening and reopening your Outlook. Sometimes the preview pane resets after a fresh launch. If the error continues, you can just launch your Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. When you go to the preferences and make sure that the enable PDF thumbnail previews and enable protected mode at startup options are turned on. These two settings help Outlook preview the PDFs safely. Once this is done, simply return to your Outlook application. Now go to the File tab here on the top. When you go to the settings, you just have to look for the option of options. So here, when you go to the options, simply select the option of Trust Center. Here you can also use the search bar in order to search for the option of the Trust Center. When you are inside the Trust Center settings, you just have to look for the attachment handling option. Make sure that it is turned on and the PDF preview handler is also enabled. If the preview doesn't work, you can clear some of the temporary preview files. For that, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Once you see this type of pop-up in front of you, you just have to type a command. So the command is %temp%, and then when you hit OK, you just have to delete the files inside the folder. Outlook often reloads a fresh preview after this cleanup. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.